If you want to be the best stylist, you have to go to the best training.
I've been following her for 3 years now. Just love what she does and what she produces.
Sort of figured it's time that I did this myself and thought that I had to go to the best.
In order to progress as a professional, these key concepts will be crucial, as ththese fundamentals make up the foundation of your skill.
This is the springboard to the next part of my career.
What was amazing about the Lash course, I got that business guidance and basically reinvigorated to go and refresh my business and redo my lash menu and also know my worth as a lash stylist.